Morning guys, and in front of me is Motorola Razr 70, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, enroll settings, then find and select security and privacy and go to device unlock. Here choose face and fingerprint ID. At first provide your pattern, and if you don't have one yet you will have to create it, and now mark fingerprint. So click on setup. As you can see, here is your fingerprint sensor, so just keep tapping. So at first locate and now keep tapping until it's fully added. And as you can see, it has been done, mark done, and from now on you'll be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.